Today we're going to show you how to do an installation job from Garage Door Nation. Simple steps. We're going to show you the tools you need and exactly how to install it. It should take less than about a half an hour to install. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and first of all measure the size of each installation insert. This is Todd. He's an expert at doing this. So the first one is just under 44 inches. So we're going to go ahead and cut our kit up and get started. You notice here there's a solid side and then there's the insulated side. This side's always going to be facing out. This is a nice hard material and it looks very professional when we install it. It's what we call vinyl back. Is that perfect?
Yep.
So if you watch here how he's doing it, we'll get a close up here in a little bit. One section done. Wedging in the right corner and guiding it all the way through. That's the way you start out, is you want to get the corner in, start with the corner and slowly pound it into, this is called a stile. So you want to pound it into the stile and then just kind of help it get in the insert there. Alright guys, we're going to raise the door so we get the bottom inserts in here. There's one thing about insulation. Once you add insulation, you got to think about one thing. You added a lot of weight to the door. I know the insulation kits don't weigh a lot, but it makes a lot of difference. If you look at this door, I want you to notice one thing. You see how the belt is sagging right now? That means the door is heavy. So watch. Watch when I take the tension off the door. See how it's stiffened up? Now what we're going to do is a simple balance test. This door was perfectly balanced before we put the kit on. So I'm just going to lift the door up a few inches. You can see as I lift the door, right now it's hooked up again. It's very heavy, and that's because we added the insulation kit. Obviously when you add weight, you got to change your springs. So we're going to go through that. You can watch our other videos on how to change out your garage door springs.